This video is about how to use rounded corners in Adobe InDesign. So rounded corners can be applied to a graphic, a rectangular frame, which is like this one here, using the rectangular frame tool, and also a text frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place an image into this existing rectangular frame using the place command. And then to get rounded corners, I'll note that there's a yellow square near the top right corner of this frame. So if I click on it once to activate, I've now got 4 yellow diamond corners going around this particular frame. So all I need to do is hold the mouse down, drag inwards, and I get my rounded corners. And when I'm happy with that, I just let go and I can go into preview mode and see how that looks. Come out of preview mode, and I used Shift and W to do that as a toggle on and off. So say I just wanted 2 rounded corners and 2 non-rounded corners. So I click once again to activate rounded corners, but this time I hold down the Shift key as I drag back on the top right corner, holding down the Shift key still, drag to the bottom left corner, and I've now got that, which is quite a nice ornate type of display for that particular frame. Now I can also do this to a normal rectangular frame. So I click on that frame, once again noting the yellow square or knobble. Then if I click on that once, hold down the Shift key, drag. Now I'm going to go for a radius here. I've got my smart cursor show me that value of 80 point. The same then for the bottom right corner, hold down the Shift key, drag that one back to what is 80 point. And then preview mode that, and I've now spiced up my layout using rounded corners.